Unlocking English, Mastering Everyday Phrases. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to unlock the meaning and usage of a common English phrase, garage key. Understanding these everyday phrases is vital for day-to-day communication. Let's dive in and discover how to use this phrase effectively. Garage key is a compound noun, consisting of two words that create a specific meaning when used together. The word garage refers to a building or indoor area for parking or storing vehicles. Key, on the other hand, is a piece of metal cut into a specific shape that fits into a lock and can open or close it. Combined, garage key refers to the key that opens or locks a garage. It's a straightforward phrase that is used literally and has no hidden meanings or connotations. Pronunciation is key to being understood. For garage, the stress is on the first syllable, and it sounds like gar-ij. For key, it's just as it looks, a simple one-syllable word that rhymes with see. Repeat after me, garage key. It's important to practice saying it a few times to get comfortable with the sounds. Now, let's put garage key into action. Here are some examples. I can't find my garage key. Can you help me look for it? Please put the garage key back on the hook after you use it. He handed me the garage key when we moved into the house. These sentences show the phrase used in everyday contexts, emphasizing its practicality. A common mistake learners make is confusing garage key with car key. Remember, a car key is specifically for starting a car, while a garage key is for opening a garage door. They serve different purposes, so it's important to use the correct term for clarity. And that's all there is to it. Garage key is a simple yet essential phrase in English, especially if you're dealing with situations involving vehicles and storage. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using it like a native speaker. We hope this video has been helpful, and we look forward to helping you unlock more English phrases in our series. Happy learning!